Haley, are we taking a video for Grandma Janet? Yeah, can you say hi? Let's see. Oh my gosh, you ate all your green beans. Now you got a berry, and you got your chicken nugget, and some cantaloupe, and of course your little fridge stereo. Hey, how about we go like this? Like that. Oh. She's really good. Haley, can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss, honey? You want to do a shimmy? Shimmy, shimmy, shake it. Okay, well, I think that's just about enough of that.
I'll show you what.
Dancing and eating.
Okay, first Grandma has to knead the dough a little bit, okay?
Dancing and eating, huh? You're just full of dance moves tonight. Haley.
No,
She had another great day at school. She's a social butterfly. Huh. Aren't ya? We think you're maybe getting more teeth because you're a little crabby after nap time. Huh. Say, I love you. I love you. You seem zoned out. Must be tired. We're getting ready to go night-night.
As soon as I finish doing this part.
Right after dinner, huh? Oh, holy smokes. I think that means you're done. Can you show me all done? All done. Okay. All right, bye, Grandma.